Hello, happy morning to all my lovely students there. How are you students? I hope you are taking care of your health right. And students, help your parents and siblings at home. Help करना बहुत अच्छी बात होती है. So students, we have completed our exercise 1 on page number 137. Remember, हमने न्यू चैप्टर चालू किया था जिसका नाम है टाइम. हर एक चीज एक टाइम से होनी चाहिए. So it is good for us. Okay. Our chapter number 14, that is time. So today we will be discussing our exercise 2. We will see कि हम सबसे पहले उठ के कौन सा काम करते हैं. So students, let's have a look. So students, in first exercise we learned that a day is divided into morning, midday, afternoon, evening and night. Let's have a look on further.
To morning, midday, afternoon, evening and night. A day has 24 hours. Days of the week. A week has.
Students, a day has 24 hours. You have to remember, एक दिन में कितने hours होते हैं? Very good. One day has 24 hours. And one week के अंदर कितने दिन होते हैं? 7 days. One week has 7 days. Let's see the days कौन-कौन से होते हैं?
7 days. The week begins on Monday and ends on Sunday.
Students, weeks कहाँ से शुरू होते हैं? The week begins on Monday. Monday से हमारा week शुरू होता है. And Sunday you can say a type of a holiday. On Sunday we rest and we spend time with our family. So let's start it. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Let's have a look.
And ends on Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
So students, these all are the dates. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Now let's say the spellings together. Monday, M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. Repeat. M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. Tuesday, T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday. Wednesday, W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, Wednesday. Repeat after me. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, Wednesday. Now it comes to Thursday. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, Thursday. Then Thursday के बाद कौन सा डे आता है? Friday. F-R-I-D-A-Y, Friday. F-R-I-D-A-Y, Friday. Next is Saturday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, Saturday. S-A-T-U-R the last day, that is Sunday. Our week starts from Monday to Sunday. S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday. S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday. So students, here we complete the discussion part of exercise 2 and 3. Let's solve the worksheet. So students, this is our exercise 2. So now we will be discussing that. See, here are some activities which we are doing in our day-to-day life. See, हमें इन सारी एक्टिविटीज को सीरीज में अरेंज करना है. Let's have a look. पहले हम सारी एक्टिविटीज देख लेते हैं. The first one is bathing, waking up, having breakfast, taking brush, getting our school bus, wearing the clothes and going to classroom. This all are the activities. Now we need to arrange it. सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे? We will wake up. So this activity will be our first activity. After waking up, we will go for brushing our teeth. So this is the second activity. After brushing the teeth, we go for shower. This will be our third. After taking shower, we will be ready with our school uniform. So this will be our activity 4. Then we will have some breakfast. Here it is. See, this will be activity 5. After having breakfast, we will go to catch our bus. This will be the 6th one. And then after getting in bus, I will be reaching to my school. That means classroom. This will be my 7th activity. So students, this was all about exercise 2. Let's see our exercise 3. Days of the week. The first day will be Monday. Second will be Tuesday. Third will be Wednesday. Fourth will be Thursday. Fifth will be Friday. Sixth will be Saturday. And seventh will be Sunday. We will read the questions. There are dash days in a week. How many days are there in all? 7. So I will write here 7 days in a week. Second, Monday comes just after dash. Monday किसके बाद आता है? I repeat the question again. Monday comes just after dash. Sunday के बाद कौन सा आता है? Monday. So I will be writing here Sunday. Dash comes just before Thursday. Thursday के पहले कौन आता है? Wednesday. You can remember this cycle. So I will be writing here Wednesday. Students, please learn the spellings. You make mistakes in this. Fourth one. Dash is between Wednesday and Friday. Wednesday और Friday के बीच में कौन सा डे है? Thursday. So I will be writing here Thursday. 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 The fifth one is the second day of the week is Tuesday. You have to learn this flow chart, okay? Dash comes just before Sunday. Sunday के पहले कौन सा दिन आता है? Saturday. Dash comes just before Sunday. Saturday comes. If today Saturday. For example, आज Saturday है. Then yesterday was, now the three words. Yesterday, today and tomorrow. Today means आज का दिन. That is Saturday. Yesterday मतलब जो हो चुका है, जो कल था. Yesterday means yesterday जो हो चुका है. अगर आज Saturday है तो Friday हो चुका है. So Friday will be my yesterday and tomorrow will be my, I am Saturday. Today is Saturday. So tomorrow will be Sunday. Yesterday, today, tomorrow. Yesterday, today, tomorrow. Okay students, if today मतलब आज is Saturday, then yesterday was, अगर आज Saturday है तो कल क्या था? Friday. And if I say आज Saturday है, कल कौन सा दिन होगा? That means I am talking of tomorrow and it will be Sunday. So students, today we learned two things. That was arranging all the activities in ascending order, and the second, today we learned about the days of the week. We see all the 7 days and we learned the spelling also. So students, if you have any doubt, you are free to contact your ma'am. But remember, you have to learn all the spellings, right? So students, study well. Bye.